Quick review on the RitFit Power Cage. This is the older model. Had this about 2 years plus. This thing is amazing. It's a power rack, complete full body, 1,000 pound squat rack machine. I mean, you could go hardcore on this. You could do dips. We got the dips bar right over here. See right here, you just hold on, do some dips right there. We got the back machine. You could do you could put in your 45 bar right here, and you could do back and stuff like that. You got another back there. You got a lat pull down. You got safety bars in case you're squatting right here. That's gonna help support you. Does not come with the weights. Check in the description box. They have another upgrade option with the weights, but this comes with a lot of little bars and stuff like that. It's pretty good overall. It's a quick review. It's about 84 inches in height. It's about 52 inches in width. It's really strong. It's pretty good. You can't go wrong. You could do multi pull-ups from different angle. See that? Works pretty good. It's steel, really good paint. It's a really good paint. It's not that, it doesn't scratch that fast. No break, no tilting, no leaning over, nothing. Pretty strong, pretty good. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Check in the videos for more price and details. Product zone. Don't forget to subscribe. Smash that subscribe.